what I like about this as well is that you can record without a subscription plan. Yay! Welcome back, everybody. I've got another tutorial for you today, and I hope that it's really going to help. It's an honor to be back with you again, and thank you so much for taking the time to view these videos. All right, today I have with us the Reolink Argus Eco plus the Reolink solar panel. This is another option for your home security, home surveillance, or just looking around at home when you're not there, or when you are there, it's going to record. But it's another option. We've been talking about Blink for a while, so I want to bring another product for your review. All right, we're going to do a short unboxing. Now, I'll already say from the very beginning that this is not the newest model. There are two other newer models that you'll find there on Amazon. A link to this one is available in the description below. But let's go ahead and unbox this one. And I believe the current price of this one is just maybe about $84, $85. So it's not too terribly expensive. And what I like about this as well is that you can record without a subscription plan. Yay! But of course, there is cloud storage available if you would like to. All right. So just letting you know that. All right. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see how things are done. Now, let me tell you this too. When you first order this, now I've already opened this already. I've ordered about 5 of these in total, and some are already in operation. Well, all of them are in operation except for this one, and this will be after a while. But when you order this, it has a seal on it, and it tells you, do not accept this if the seal is broken. So I had actually, I think 2 of these where the seal was broken. So what did I do? I hit return button on my Amazon account, and I sent them back, and no problem whatsoever. They sent me a replacement pretty quick. So, but just remember that, okay? It says don't do it. So just send it back. There may be a factory defect in here, or maybe somebody messed around with something. I don't know. So, it is what it is. So when you get that seal, and you see it's broken, just go ahead and send it back. Don't even waste your time with it, okay? All right, but this one is broken because I opened it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open this one and see what's inside. And I've had pretty good results with this too, so that's another reason why I'm doing this unboxing and tutorial with it. I don't really want to bring you something on here, or I don't want to at all bring you something that I haven't personally tested or am not personally using. I'm not a full-time YouTuber, so I'm only going to bring you things that I'm enjoying. All right, so first thing out the box we see, you have the instruction book. So we'll just instruction book, and you see that there, instruction book. And of course, this is very important too, a mounting. This is your mounting template, and we'll talk about that. So I'll put that there. And here we go. Also, they sent you a sticker to let the world know that you have 24-hour surveillance on your property. You can do that if you like. And then, of course, you have also your operations manual, which will show you how to install that and all that good stuff. It's all there on the inside of it. Some glorious pages. It's about 25 or so glorious pages on how to install. It's really good, so check it out. All right, I'm gonna put this away. And here again, I'm gonna just, okay. All right, so.
What are you, nuts?
Also in the box, you have, let me slide this over here. Also in the box, you have your mounting, your mount there. Now, we talked about on the Blink system that I bought an additional mounting system, of course, the camera. And you can see that on the Blink tutorials. But this one, I'm pretty confident. I didn't need to buy that one. This one is very versatile. Now, as we talked about the Blink, The mounting system that you get with Blink's system, the factory system, will allow you to swivel. Somebody sent that note to me on the comment section, and I thought, you're right. It will allow you to swivel, but only so much. So that's why I suggested the other one. But thank you so much for commenting. That's awesome. You guys are just doing great. All right, so I'm going to put this over here too. Ooh, need to stop that. All right, so we've got camera. The camera comes with a little tape on it there, and the motion detection, the PRI sensor is here, and there's the camera. And on the back of that, you have, this is where you're going to actually screw the mounting unit in this part here. And of course, this is for the antenna. This does have an antenna. And you'll find that it also gives you a strap. Also gives you the strap. You can strap it around a pole if you can't screw it into whatever material you're trying to put it on. Either if it's wood, you should have no problem, or siding, have no problem. But maybe you don't want to try the stone or brick. Although that you can do that if you like. But you've got your mounting strap if you want to put around any type of pole. This is very important. This is for mounting with the strap, because when you're going to take a strap and loop it through this, and of course you're going to tie this onto that, and it's going to actually mount it there with the straps. Does that make sense? All right, so we got that. All right, so let's go ahead and put the antenna on. So while we're doing this, I want to tell you as well that this will also work with the Argus advertises that this works with Google Assistant, and also Alexa. So they say that you can. Now, I don't currently have Google or Alexa, so I'm going to just have to say what they're saying, which I think is a safe bet. They say that if you put this with your Alexa or Google, you can say, "Hey, Alexa, show me the camera footage from the backyard." Okay, same thing with the Google Assistant. So that's pretty cool. And as we said before, this will work without cloud support. And that happens because you have an SD card slot right down here on the bottom of the camera. SD card slot here. And there's also the on and off button that's right there, which is very valuable, by the way. And there's also a reset button. Make sure, yes, there's also a reset button right in here. So if you get things cattywampus turned around, just put a little stick pin in there, hold it for a few moments, take it out. It's going to reset the whole camera. All right, but it won't reset if you have footage on here. Later on, it won't delete the footage. It just resets the camera, later on. Got me? All right. So, all right, we're going to put that there. Make sure that's nice and snug. So now, of course, we could take this, and now we would have already attached this to the side of the house, right? And then we're just screwing this on. It's screwing it in. Now, let me tell you about this too. And so there's the unit, right? This mounting ring here, once you make it looser. Anyway, once you untighten it, then you're able to turn the camera any way that you see fit, left or right, up or down. And when you tighten this, put tension on it, of course, it will lock it into that position. So there it is there, and that's going to stay in that position. So this ring is extremely important. All right, let me get my fingers out the way. This ring is extremely important. Tighten it once you've gotten the shot that you want. And of course, you want to do that. That goes beyond saying that you really don't want to try to tighten this down or really go into the depths of installing until you, first of all, install the app on your phone. We're going to talk about the app shortly. And the app allows you to have simultaneous live views. Now, I have 4 so far, and they work fine. But I did find the app just a little bit laggy. But I can see all 4 images of what's going on at one time. Now, I don't have the cloud plan, so I'm just currently storing everything into the SD card. And so when I want to see it, click the app, go there, and you'll see the timeline there, and you can review the footage. All right, so again, I like the thing about no cloud plan unless you want it. Now, let me tell you about something else. I thought this was pretty good too. You can also, you can view this footage, of course, on your Apple device, your Apple cell phone or your Android cell phone. And here's the thing, you can also view your footage on a Windows-based computer. I believe 7 or higher, okay? 7 or higher, you can view it there on your computer. So that's something that's pretty good too, I thought so. All right, so we got this and we're about ready to go. Let's see also what's in the box. In the box, we also have, I love this, you also have your solar panel there. And it also comes with, let me pull this out, also comes with the mount as well. All right, so we're gonna put this away. Let's just, give me a second to make everything all nice and pretty again for us.
Not a problem.
All right, so let's talk about this. Now, in my experience, as I've placed this on the roof and hooked everything up, my batteries haven't passed 100% yet. I mean, which is awesome. But first thing you're gonna do is, or one of the first things you're gonna do when you get this out of the box, go ahead and charge it. It has a charge port right here in the back. All right, charging port is there. This comes with a charging cable, and it's somewhere, I guess still in the box here. But you charge this first, charge it first, and you'll see a nice green light that comes on when it's fully charged. Now, when it's fully charged, then you can close it back up for a few moments until you get ready to install it, right? Because when you install it, of course, it has internal batteries, and you're charging it so that you're going to use it throughout the day. First of all, of course, I always recommend that you install this during the daytime, but if you had to install it at night, that's fine too. But once you do install it and you have your equipment up, then you're going to take your solar panel, right? Take your solar panel, and at the end of this is that connection. Put it to the camera, and so that's going to recharge. That's going to recharge the battery. Isn't that awesome? All right, so it's going to recharge the battery. It's going to keep it full. Now, I can't say it's going to do it indefinitely. Surely, sooner or later, the batteries will run out. But as for me, it's been about maybe 4 or 5 months, and I haven't had any issue whatsoever. All right, well, that about wraps up today's tutorial and unboxing of the Reolink Argus Eco system and solar panel. I really like the solar panel. One thing we can also mention too, that you can purchase a solar panel for the Blink as well. Interesting. I don't like changing batteries. So I hope that this has helped you. Leave me a comment in the description area below. And if you want to see more videos like this, then of course, you can subscribe and hit the like button. That really helps us out too. Well, until next time, keep on teching and keep on learning. All right, see you next time.